What does Sasha Obama's extravagant lifestyle in 2024 entail? And how has she navigated the complexities of fame and fortune while carving her own path beyond her family's political legacy? Sasha Obama, the youngest daughter of former President Barack Obama and former First Lady Michelle Obama, has captivated the public's attention with her journey from the White House to a life of luxury and prominence. Born into a prominent and influential family, Sasha has navigated her way through the spotlight, showcasing her versatility and ambition across various domains. In this video of Sasha's lifestyle in 2024, we delve into her early life, burgeoning career, opulent residences, luxury vehicles, romantic entanglements, and estimated net worth, offering a glimpse into the extravagant world she inhabits. So, guys, quickly join our YouTube channel. Early life and education. Sasha Obama, born Natasha Ann Obama on June 10, 2001, in Chicago, Illinois, was thrust into the limelight from a young age as the daughter of former President Barack Obama and former First Lady Michelle Obama. Growing up in a prosperous and influential household, Sasha experienced a childhood shaped by both privilege and public scrutiny. Alongside her older sister Malia, Sasha attended the prestigious University of Chicago Laboratory School before transitioning to Sidwell Friends School in Washington, D.C., following her father's election to the presidency in 2008. Despite the pressures of being part of a famous family, Sasha's parents sought to provide her with a semblance of normalcy, fostering an environment where she could pursue her education and interests. At Sidwell Friends School, Sasha excelled academically, while also engaging in extracurricular activities and community service. The school's rigorous curriculum and emphasis on values-based education helped shape Sasha's intellectual curiosity and social consciousness. Upon graduating from Sidwell Friends in 2019, Sasha embarked on her undergraduate studies at the University of Michigan, before ultimately transferring to the University of Southern California, where she successfully completed her degree in 2023. Sasha's academic journey reflects her dedication to pursuing excellence and carving her own path beyond the shadow of her family's legacy. Career and income. Despite her young age, Sasha Obama has already made significant strides in her career, leveraging her platform to explore diverse opportunities beyond her family's political sphere. Her income streams include speaking engagements, book deals, modeling contracts, and social media partnerships, showcasing her ability to command attention and influence. With over 92.4 million followers on Instagram, Sasha ranks among the top influencers in the United States, amplifying her reach and impact across digital platforms. Her foray into modeling with IMG models has garnered acclaim from prestigious brands like Dior and Calvin Klein, solidifying her status as a rising star in the fashion industry. Sasha's children's book, Sasha's Garden, attests to her talent as a storyteller and her ability to connect with audiences of all ages. The book's commercial success and positive reception underscore Sasha's versatility and creative prowess. Through her advocacy work and speaking engagements, Sasha continues to champion causes close to her heart, using her influence to raise awareness about social justice issues and promote positive change. Her anticipated fee for each speaking engagement is $50,000, reflecting her ability to command attention and influence across various platforms. Mansion. Sasha Obama's opulent lifestyle is epitomized by her luxurious residences, reflecting the affluence and prestige of her family's stature. One of her primary homes is a sprawling 9-bedroom mansion located in the exclusive Kalorama neighborhood of Washington, D.C., valued at $8.1 million. This Tudor-style estate spans 8,500 square feet and provides ample space and privacy for Sasha and her family to indulge in lavish living. The Obamas own a lavish holiday retreat in Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts, valued at $11.7 million. This idyllic estate features 7 bedrooms, 2 guest wings, an outdoor swimming pool, and stunning beachfront views. Sasha's current residence in Manhattan's Upper West Side further underscores her penchant for luxury living, showcasing her discerning taste and extravagant lifestyle. Cars. One notable vehicle in her collection is the BMW X7, a full-size SUV renowned for its potent engine and opulent cabin. The X7 offers a blend of power, comfort, and sophistication perfectly suited to Sasha's refined tastes. In addition to the BMW X7, Sasha also owns a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, representing the pinnacle of off-road capability and luxury. This iconic vehicle combines rugged design with advanced four-wheel drive technology, offering both style and substance in its elegant interior and powerful engine. Controversial boyfriends. Sasha Obama's romantic relationships have occasionally sparked controversy and public scrutiny, reflecting the challenges of navigating personal life under the spotlight. In 2015, at just 14 years old, Sasha was reported to be dating Clifton Powell Jr., the son of actor Clifton Powell. Their relationship drew attention due to the significant age gap, with Powell Jr. being 20 at the time. In 2017, Sasha's relationship with Chris Milton, a white classmate at Sidwell Friends School, reignited discussions about interracial dating and societal expectations regarding her choices of partners. Most notably, in 2019, Sasha began dating Malcolm Kenyatta, a Pennsylvania state legislator who is openly gay. While their relationship received support from many, it also faced criticism from some quarters, highlighting the complexities of navigating public perceptions and personal relationships. Net worth. Estimates of Sasha Obama's net worth range between $1 million and $5 million, encompassing her various income sources, possessions, and investments. While Sasha's parents, Barack and Michelle Obama, possess a considerable net worth of $70 million, Sasha has carved out her own path in society, leveraging her talents and entrepreneurial endeavors to build wealth and influence. Sasha's diverse range of income streams, including speaking engagements, book deals, modeling contracts, and social media partnerships, contribute to her financial success. As she continues to explore new opportunities and pursue her passions, Sasha's net worth is poised to grow, further cementing her position as a formidable figure in her own right. So, guys, we have come to the end of our video today. From her early years in the public eye to her burgeoning career as a model, author, and influencer, Sasha continues to captivate audiences with her charm and sophistication. What do you think about Sasha Obama's lavish lifestyle in 2024? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.